very good evening to everyone. Whoa, this one's really loud. Thank you so very much. I'm elated. This truly is like a validation in ways of saying to me that my choices have been right. And I stand for the things that I endorse. And I really think, being a brand has taken me so many years. And what really is a brand? For me, I think people have to say what they think about you when you're not in the room, and that's the brand you are. And I really hope for me, in my case, it's about health and wellness and me being able to be a catalyst in that direction. To tell people, to be able to tell people that it really isn't rocket science, it's so easy to stay healthy. Just keep it simple. I'm going to keep it short, so I really think I owe this to a lot of people who have helped me become the brand that I am. I have to credit Anishi, my brand manager, my friend, my very dear friend Rohini, who manages my PR. You know how difficult that is? Definitely. When you're involved in the biggest controversies. So they really have played a very important part. And I also think when you become a brand, there's a lot of giving. And when I say giving, it's a lot of giving up. A lot of saying no to. So they have really helped me stick to my guns and make the right choices. And thank you so very much. I feel worthy now.
Thank you, of course. A big round of applause, of course, to Shilpa.
Without award? Happy to कोई without award वाला क्यों यार? ये जानो बस ऑपरेट करूंगा ये दोनों जब हमारा बहुत चिपका दिया तुमने मैंने नहीं पूछा I love you ये ज्यादा आवाज कर साथ में
बाद में अभी आके करेंगे
हाँ सबसे पहले तो कांग्रेचुलेशन फॉर
अवार्ड का आमिर घर लेके गया हाँ हाँ हाँ
शिल्पा जी सबसे पहले तो congratulations for this award. उसके बारे में से थोड़ा सा जानना चाहेंगे कि किस तरह से अवार्ड मिला है, कैसी फीलिंग है उसके बारे में.
अच्छा लगता है आपको जब लोग आपको अप्रिशिएट करते हैं. इट रियली इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ वैलिडेशन to the choices you've made in life, and becoming a brand is a big compliment for me, and it's reiterated by this award. So yeah, thank you for all those people who think that I'm brand extraordinaire.
Good evening, Shilpa.
Sumit.
Shilpa, आप सही में इतनी आइसक्रीम खाती हो?
क्यों? जो आज पेपर में छपा है वो आइसक्रीम था नहीं, पता है वो क्या था? नारियल. That's नारियल का मलाई.
आपको ट्विटर पे क्लैरिफाई करना चाहिए ना कि
भाई नहीं मुझे कोई क्लैरिफिकेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है ट्विटर पे.
अच्छा तो मैं हमने let me ask you, you are here today about all the things which are happening, the headlines which are being made.
Which are those?
About the event which happened over here, we launched a game.
Oh yes.
Poker game.
Yeah.
So from your words, let us clarify and say things from your side.
What? The poker game?
शिल्पा राजकुंद्रा ने एक सचिन
मैं राजकुंद्रा हूँ? मैं उसकी जैसे लगती हूँ? नहीं मैं कौन हूँ?
शिल्पा जी आपका रिएक्शन इस पे, आपका कुछ रिएक्शन मिल जाए कुछ.
You know, I really believe as a celebrity you should never complain and you should never explain. ये मेरी ज़िंदगी की philosophy रही है और मैं इसके परे कभी कोई एक्शन लेती नहीं हूँ, and that is how I have lived my life. So that's that. हाँ. Sumit, you're very scary, हाँ?
Your book launch is expected.
Yes.
बताइए ना कब है?
So the diaries of a okay, I'll take that again. So the Diary of a Domestic Diva, which is my second book, is all about recipes. तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि at the end of it all, I have managed to complete this book with my crazy schedules. और स्पेशली वर्किंग वुमेन के लिए जो जिनको लगता है कि खाना बनाना एक चोर सा है, एंड इट्स रियली easier to buy ready-made foods. It's for them. It's for single men who don't know how to cook, and for people who shift from cities to come to other cities to work, और जिनके पास help नहीं है. So I really think that it's a one-stop shop for everyone to refer to, and it's all the recipes that I have believed in. They're healthy, they're nutritious. बहुत सारा dessert भी है उसमें, तो indulgent. So yeah, I think everyone who likes to cook or doesn't know how to cook should have this book.
कब launch कर रहे हैं और कौन launch करेगा?
तो it's already up pre-orders के लिए Amazon पे आप pre-order पे खरीद सकते हैं इस बुक को, और I think officially we'll be launching and we'll be in all the bookstores. I think second week of Feb. Yeah.
Shilpa, before you go, like you are doing the communications for your communication agency, like we saw on the stage.
Communication agency मतलब?
Your communication agency is Renro,
हाँ.
and you are doing the
Communication agency? I didn't know. हाँ.
for Rohini.
रोहिणी को मैं पिछले 22 सालों से जानती हूँ. मेरी दोस्त है सबसे ज़्यादा, एंड I work with her because I feel she knows me personally and she knows how I function, and I just think that it's important when you're a brand, especially you need people who brand manage you, who can image manage you and do all the damage control, and that's that.
Damage control पता है?
पता नहीं, कंट्रोल का तो मुझे पता नहीं, लेकिन हाँ, I mean I feel they become your spokespeople, and and that's important to have that one person. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
चलिए, bye. Have a
Thank
great
you.
day.
आइए वानी आइए.
चलो नेक्स्ट चलो वानी जी आइए फोटो तो क्या फोटो महिला फोटो चलो